Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another brand new subscription box to bring to my channel to show you guys. It is Match Made Coffee. Do you want to see what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is Match Made Coffee, and this company got a hold of me and asked if I would like to review their box on my channel. And once I heard coffee and cookies, I'm like, I'm sold. If you don't know, now you'll know. I am a huge coffee drinker. I love my coffee. I love my coffee. I drink coffee in the morning before I leave. As soon as I get to work, I have a few more because we have a Keurig over there as well. And I am extremely excited to try out a coffee subscription. So let me do what I normally do. Let me tell you a little bit about the company. On my very first box, I always do that. So what this company is, you get a gourmet box with free shipping to the US. It's regularly priced at $19.95, and I will have a link down below. You can go ahead and check them out. Coffee has finally met its match at Match Made Coffee. Each month, you'll receive a curated flight of freshly roasted international craft coffees along with perfectly flavored paired gourmet cookies delivered right to your door. Forget wine and cheese, indulge in or gift this unique coffee pairing experience that keeps on giving. Includes 2 complete coffee pairings, 2 craft coffees, 2 ounce each, ground beans, 2 gourmet cookies, 2.2 ounce each, approximately pairing notes. Your subscription, get or gift. Get it? Oh, sorry. We get it. This is the perfect gift for the coffee lover in your life. So we've added the gift option at the end of checkout, which allows you to add a gift to your receipt. They would probably like to know who would be externally grateful to. Delicious duo times 2. Each box includes 2 perfect pairs of coffee and cookies. That's more than enough to become addicted, so watch out for that. Changing your subscription, you can make changes to your subscription at any time, log into your account, you can skip a month, you can cancel. The next thing on here that they do talk about is your pairings, your coffee. We partner with roasters across the globe and curate the best craft coffee roast to include in each of our boxes. Beware though, this isn't like your grocery store coffee. These have flavors your taste buds can feel and fall in love with. Each coffee roast measures 2 ounces, the perfect amount for a large full pot of coffee, or 2 if you are sparing. Cookies, we have partnered with the bakery For Your Fancies to offer some of the most mouth-watering cookies in the planet. Seriously, the cookies are baked to order and packed sealed for peak freshness. Each gourmet cookie weighs about approximately 2.2 ounces and could technically be great for sharing too, if you have that kind of willpower. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see. Again, this was sent to me for a review, and a coffee, I'm all for it. Sign me up. So let's go ahead and get in here. That is what it looks like. So you have your 2 things of coffee and your 2 cookies. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you which ones I got, and then I don't have a normal coffee pot here. I have a Keurig. I have a normal one at work with my Keurig. So luckily I have a standard coffee pot still around. Then I'm going to go ahead and make these tomorrow and then the next day as well. And I'll put this all together and tell you my review after I can actually try them. So the coffees that we got are these guys right here. There's not a card in here or anything. I don't know if they just don't put a card in here or if they forgot my card, but this says organic plus single origin Kenya Bama AA. Roast level is dark. This sweetly delicate yet deeply fragrant and intricate roast, harvested in the heart of East Africa, boosts black currant, red clover honey, and tamarind notes. When paired alongside the complex sweet rosemary and balsamic flowers within this unique cookie, you are sure to savor the last drop. Every last drop. Batch made cookie is rosemary balsamic. Rosemary balsamic cookie? And that is this guy right here. It says rosemary balsamic dough, rosemary EVOO, mix-ins, fresh rosemary, cracked black pepper, lemon zest, and balsamic syrup. Baked in San Diego, California. So you pair this balsamic cookie with this particular dark roast coffee, and I can't wait to go to work tomorrow and make this now and try that. And then the next day, what I'll make will be this one. This one is organic and single origin, Brazil Cerrado. Roast level is a medium. Tasting notes. Grown in the rich soil that natives call terra roxa or red earth, this medium roast is a favorite. Made popular for its low acidity and elegant, nutty, and sweet profile with a distinct milk chocolate finish. Match this cookie with the famously favorite chocolate chip cookie to allow each note to shine. Match made cookie is chocolate chip. You can never be wrong with a chocolate chip cookie. So ultimate chocolate chip cookie dough is original. Mix-ins is semi-sweet milk and dark chocolate chunks, semi-sweet chocolate chips, topped with sea salt. And this one doesn't say where this one was made, but there's those two right there. And that is everything that this one says. And that shows that it is the medium roast with the chocolate chip cookie. And this one again is the dark roast, and it's for the rosemary balsamic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these both in the next 2 days, and I will try the coffee with the cookie, and I will tell you each day how it is. Okay guys, so here's day one. I'm at work. I just made a pot of the dark roast. This is the Kenya Bama AA, which is the pairing cookie for the rosemary balsamic. Now, I was really excited because this is a dark roast. I do like dark roast. And rosemary balsamic, I would never imagine being a cookie, but very intriguing. So I wanted to try this one first. So I just made a pot of coffee. I'm going to try it all black so I can get the true flavors. I do need to point out the fact as soon as I open this, the smell from the coffee is, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, that is some bold, genuine smells. So I know this is going to taste amazing. Because again, what I read already would have been that they find these from all over the place, and your taste buds are going to love it. So I'm going to try it all just black first. Try it with the cookie, and then I have milk frothing, which just ended, to put in it too, because I love to have frothed milk like a latte. So let's try it. Okay, so that is very good. It does have a whole lot of bold flavors. Let's see with the rosemary balsamic cookie. This cookie is very moist, very good. That is really good. That is very flavorful coffee. Definitely flavorful. And the cookie doesn't, I can taste a little bit of rosemary, but I'm not tasting balsamic. Very faint. It would be more, to me, it would be more of like a sugar cookie consistency with a little bit of hint of rosemary, but that is very good. So let me add my my froth. Okay, so I just had my man try it, and he said, because we work together, he said that he could take this by itself without the cookie, but this is very bold and rich, and he loves the coffee. So let me go ahead and add in a little the way I like to have it. Mmm, that's tasty. Definitely, definitely flavorful. 100%, very, very flavorful, to say the least. Okay, guys, so today is day 2. I just hurried and made this coffee because I want him to try it before he has to run out and do some jobs. So just made it. It is nice and hot and it's black. This is day 2. This is the Brazil Cerrado. This is the medium roast. One thing, this one, I can definitely tell the difference between smelling this one versus the one from yesterday. The one yesterday, it had amazing senses that were tickling in my noses. And this one, not as much. I mean, it still smells bold and nice, but just not as much as the dark roast yesterday. So let's see. Fashionably latte. I love this mug. Didn't this one say it was supposed to have chocolate when I read it? The first day I unboxed it. An elegant, nutty, and sweet profile with a distinctive milk chocolate finish. I don't really taste a milk chocolate finish. It's good. I just really prefer the one from yesterday a lot better. Let me get with my chocolate chip cookie. Who doesn't like a chocolate chip cookie? This is really good. They do complement each other when taken together. Let me go have him try it and then I'll add my, oh, let me get it started. Dropped in my milk. Hold on, hold please. Come here. Okay, so he didn't like this one as much, and that's kind of like what I was saying too. The other one had bolder and just, it was more flavorful, but again, you're trying all new different things from all over. So I'm excited about the box and being able to try the 2 different types of coffee. Now let me go ahead and put in my froth milk that is nice and done. And let's see if it helps it out a little bit. It helps tone it down a little. Just like I said, this one just, it wasn't as flavorful, but again, you're trying out different things from all over. And I mean, I like the concept. I love me some coffee, but the first one, the flavors were amazing. Like where he's even telling me to try to find out how to buy it because he really liked it. But again, you get to pair it with the cookie, your coffee, and I did make a full cup, and this is still full. I mean, I can still do several cups out of one of these bags. So if you guys do want to check them out, again, I will have the link down below. Thank you for tuning in and watching my review. Thank you so much to Match Made Coffee for sending me this for review. Again, I'm so glad I had a standard coffee pot hidden at work that I could bust out so I could actually try these out and see how it is, because that was just amazing. I've never had like a coffee and pairing cookie thing, and I've never thought of having a cookie with coffee, and that's amazing. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.